Bonjour à tous. So aujourd'hui, on va commencer leçon septième. Range ta chambre. Arrange your room, set your room. Okay, it is kind of go and set your room like an order. Related to this, we are going to do the grammar part, l'impératif. Okay, let's do this topic. L'impératif. So when we use it, students, when you want to order or command, okay, like I want to say, go and wash your face, fetch me a glass of water, like that. Okay, then you have to do request, okay, or even this sentence is also used for giving advice. Let's take an example. In English, I'm going to tell you for like if I say, fetch me a glass of water. Fetch me a glass of water. Okay. Or if I want to say, this is kind of command or order. Okay. So, मेरे लिए पानी का ग्लास लेके आओ. पानी का ग्लास लेके आओ. Right? This is kind of order. But this also I can make it request. How? Fetch me a glass of water, please. So if I'm adding please, it will become request. And for advice, I want to say, drink lot of water. It is kind of advice. Okay, eat healthy foods like this. So can you see in English also? See, fetch me a glass of water. There is no subject directly. Okay, drink lot of water starting with the verb. So what is the rule? Let's do it in French. Like what we do in French, the usage is same, students. Okay, for example, let's do a air verb. Okay, with a air verb, with er verb, right? If I want to make it as imperative, we use the conjugation of to, nu, and vous. Okay. For example, let's take an example. Parler. Now see, in parler, the sound that is, if you want to make it l'impératif, then it is tu. We will do the conjugation with tu. Tu parles, nous parlons. Okay, nous parlons, vous parlez. Okay, right? This is the conjugation. Now, what is the rule? The first rule is we do not use subject. Okay, in l'imperative, we do not use subject. Parler means to speak. Okay. So, and another rule first is no subject. Second is with er verb, remove s. S will not be used. Got it? So, if I remove all this, okay, and this as well without s, par. Sign of exclamation, parlo, parler. This is my l'imperative. Easy, right? Now, if I want to make it negative, students, then what you will do? Parle, ne parle pas. Okay. Ne parlons pas. Ne parlez pas. Okay. Uh, let's make a sentence. Like if I say, let's make a sentence. Parle, parle français. So français, parle français dans la classe. Okay, so speak French in the class. It can be advice, right? Okay, if I want to say please speak French in the class, then it will be request. So parle français dans la classe. So if I'm talking to one person, then tu. Okay, one singular. But plural, you can say parlo or parle. This is a rule for er verb. Another is for ir verb. That is er verb. Okay, in French we say it a verb. es verb. Okay, this is second group verb, students. Now the rule is same. Here the verb, let's take an example, finir. Okay, now the conjugation, remember, tu fini. So I'm not going to write tu. Now remember, fini, finissant, right? And then finissez. Okay, finissez. Right? Now, if I want to make it negative, that is same, students. No, fini pas. No, finissons pas. No, finissez pas. Exclamation. Okay, this is here verb. Here, no omission of s. Only that is with premier group verb. Okay, clear? Now the next one is re verb. Let's take re verb is okay. I'll just tell you how to make sentence with the finir verb. Like if I want to say, okay, finish your exercise. If I'm saying to one person, then I'll say fini ton exercise. Okay, fini ton exercise. This is it. Mm, fini ton exercise. Okay. Okay, fini ton exercise, sign of explanation. Okay, students, in French it is C. Exercise. Okay. The next one is um Arivo. Let's take an example. Prend. Prendre is Arivo. Prendre means to take. Let's make it infinitive. Oh, sorry, l'impératif. Tu prends. That is prend. Prenons. Okay. And then prenez. Okay. And the negative will be ne prends pas, ne prenons pas, ne prenez pas. Right? For example, if I want to say, okay, take your coffee, right? Suppose I'm talking to plural person, so I can say prenons or prenez votre café. Okay, sign of exclamation. So this is what this is your l'imperative with the three verbs and with how to make it negative. The next one is what we are going to do. There are the pronominal verbs as well. Remember, students, how to make the l'imperative with the pronominal verbs. First of all, what we are going to do, let's take an example, se laver. Okay, now, first of all, what is the conjugation with tu? Tu te laves. Se laver means to wash oneself. Okay. Tu te laves. Nous nous lavons. Okay. Vous vous lavez. Vous lavez. Right? This is my conjugation. Now, what is the rule in l'imperative, students? We do not use subject. Subject is omitted. Now the other thing is what we will not. Okay, the becomes tua, right? L'imperative will be love because it is er verb. You will drop s, love and tua. Okay, in pronominal verbs, these pronoun will be after the verb. That is nous lavons. That is lavons nous. Okay, and then it is lavez vous. Okay, right? Now, uh, if I want lave toi, wash yourself, lavons-nous, lavez-vous. Okay. Another one is how to make it negative, students. In negative, again, subject will not be used. Okay, right? And s will not be used because er verb we will remove s, omit s, love. Now, That will remain same. What will be the negative imperative? Ne te lave pas, ne nous lavons pas, okay? Ne vous lavez pas. Clear? So this is my l'imperative. Let's read with this chapter. Okay? What is that l'imperative? See, parler, parler, hier verb. Tu parles, nous parlons, vous parlez. On n'utilise pas le sujet. We are not going to use the subjects. This is l'imperative. Parle, parlons, parler. But in tu case, S is removed, so omit this S. Right? So the right is parle, parlons, parler. Okay? This is for ear verb. Higher verb, it will remain same. Tu par. We will not use subjects. So parto, parte. Rendre, rendre, rendons, rendre. Okay? So mo becomes moi, to becomes tua in imperatives. Just remember. Again, one more example. Ari verb. Tu, nous, vous, on utilise pas. So comprends, comprenons, comprenez. That is your l'impératif. Higher verb, tu finis, nous finissons, vous finissez. On utilise pas le sujet. So fini, finissons, finissez. Right? This is your affirmative. Now, students, l'imperative with the verb exceptional. Yes, this I want to tell you. Ale is not exceptional. Only the exception is er verb. So s will be dropped. Otherwise, it is tuva, right? Because it is er verb, s is dropped. And subject is dropped va, alo, ali. Otherwise, all these are exceptions. See, what is the l'imperative of avoir? See, tu as. Otherwise, normal avoir conjugation is a, nous avons, vous avez. Yes? But here it is totally changed. That is exception you have to learn. Avoir is I, IU, IE. Être means to be. That is soi, soyou, soyez. Savoir, to know. That means charge, sachons, sachez. Vouloir is to want. Veuille, voyons, veuille. Okay? Learn these exceptions. Negative we have already done. So subject just remove, that is na to pa, nan vi pa, no soye pa, na yo pa, no rempliso pa. Les verbes avec les pronominaux, tu, the subject will not be used. The becomes toi. Apion will be used here and vous. Remember when you are doing the inversion, like subject will, like pronoun will be after the verb. Then you have to use tire, this dash. Okay, just use it. Negation will be subject will not use, that is not the kushpa. S will be drop. Nanu kushupa, nanu navu kushe pa. So reflexive verb becomes toi. Okay. Next is le vocabulaire. Okay. Attendre, bien sûr, devoir, immédiatement, la chambre, les jeux vidéo, nettoyer, pareuse, proprement, ranger, sage, s'inquiéter, oui. Okay, let's do this exercise quickly. See, students, we have to make l'imperative with tu form. Okay, so let's do the conjugation with tu. That is attends, attends, toi. Okay, it is moi, so it will be attends, moi. So wait for me. Okay, attends, moi. Sign of exclamation. Ne pas prendre le train. Prends. So don't take the train. No. Here will be verb. No prendre pas le train. Finito exercise. What is the conjugation of fini with you? That is fini. On exercise. Just copy. So de piche. So de piche means hurry up. Okay, so hurry up for the school. So de piche student, we have already done. This is the pronominal verb. So my verb will come first with you, the depeche, because it is er verb. We will drop s here, and to becomes tua. Dépêche-toi pour l'école. Être verb, the conjugation is, this is exception. So it is sois nerveux. So sois with you, nerveux. Okay. Voir le film, voir Tu vois, the conjugation is this. Voir le film. Le film. Sign of exclamation. S'amuser is again pronominal verb. Avec, avec ami. Here come avec les amis. So s'amuser. So it will come amuse your enjoy yourself with your friends. Amuse. Er verb s will be dropped. Okay, toi. Amuse-toi avec les amis. Ne pas se promener again. So promener is pronominal verb. Promener means to walk. So don't go for a walk today. So it will be no. Negative will be no. The again it is promène. Okay, without s. Promène pas aujourd'hui. Just copy. Faites l'impératif des phrases suivantes dans l'exemple, like example we have done. See students, vous, subject will not be used, être. With vous, it is soyons. Okay, soyons courageux. Nous avons, subject will not come, avons, avoir. With nous, the imperative of avoir is ayons. Ayons des livres. Okay, tu subject will not be used, and va because ale is er verb. Va is er verb. Okay, s will be dropped. Va a l'école. Sign of exclamation. This subject will not be used. Crier for. This is the answer. Crier for sign of exclamation. Okay. Then nous sommes serviables. Subject will not be used. Som is soyons. Soyons serviables. Few Tanscree subject will not be used. And scree and this to becomes tua and scree tua. A loto equal sign of exclamation. Nuna nu mato, this is negative phrase. Subject will not come, rest will be same. Na nu mato, na nu mato pa zo colère. You, this is again remain same, only use sign of exclamation. N'annonce pas la mauvaise nouvelle. Vous ne prenez pas de photos dans le musée. Subject will not be used. Ne prenez pas de photos dans le musée. Sign of exclamation. Okay. L'impératif négatif is se taire, se réveiller, se raser, s'appeler. So student, what will be the conjugation? Because I have less space there, I'm writing it here. First of all, it is ne te te ne te te pas. Okay, ne ne nous taisons pas. Ne vous taisez pas. Okay, so that means like keep quiet, or we also use to shut your mouth like this. Okay, the next verb is se réveiller, like to wake up. So what is the conjugation with this? Ne te réveille, ne te réveille pas. Okay, S is dropped because it is a our verb. Ne nous réveillons, ne nous réveillons pas. Sign of exclamation. And then next is ne vous réveillez pas. Ne vous réveillez pas. Okay. Another word is that is se raser. Raser is to shave. Okay. No to ras. This is again er verb. Drop s. Ne te ras pas. Ne nous rasons pas. Ne vous rasez pas. Rasez pas. Okay. This is the next one is s'appeler. S'appeler is to call oneself. Self. Like je m'appelle. Right? You use je m'appelle Dimple. मेरा नाम Dimple है. So we will say ne t'appelle pas. Okay, this word also means to call someone. Okay. Ne t'appelle pas. So because it is the pronominal verb, so to call oneself. Ne t'appelle pas. Ne, nous appelons pas. Ne vous appelez pas. Ne vous appelez pas. Okay. The last one is s'asseoir is to sit. Batna. Okay. That is ne tasi. It is exception, students. It's conjugation. Ne tasi pa. Ne nous asseyons pas. Okay. This is O. And this is E. Ne vous asseyez pas. Sign of exclamation. Right? This is done. Complètez les phrases. So utilise les mots donnés. Commencer means to begin. Cinema, you know, verb is your vouloir verb, which means want or desire. Maintenant means now. Attendre is attendre verb. Attendo is attendre verb. To wait. Retard is late. Suis is your adverb. The verb means in front of. Arrive. Okay, to reach. Désolé means sorry. Let's read this. Patricia dash ale o. Ale means go. So where they are going, just see the place. Here is the place, only one. Aleo cinema will come here. Okay, Aleo cinema. So Patricia want will come. That is her desire. Vouloir. Patricia veut. Ok, Patricia veut aller au cinéma avec des amis. Ils se rencontrent. They meet one another. Where? Devant le café. So here the position will come in front of the cafe. Devant le café, nous nous assise. Mais, but Clara est toujours. So Clara is always late, en retard. En retard. Elle n'arrive pas. So, nous sommes en retard. Elle n'arrive pas. Arrive. Okay, elle n'arrive pas. Le film va commencer. So the film is going to start. Le film va commencer. Begin. Dash 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. Attendre. So we will say attendons. That is attendons. 5 minutes is your l'imperative sentence. Can you see sign of exclamation? The Tanami said a friend. Says a friend. Bo, elle est là. Oh, she's here. Dash Bizami. Now she is saying désolé. Okay. Désolé. Sorry, friends. Je suis en retard. I am late. Je suis en retard. Quelle bêtise. Allons-y maintenant. Let's go now. Maintenant. You can use this. And this we will do when we will make the video for reading. Complétez les phrases avec les verbes donner. Okay, let's do this. Here we have to conjugate. Tu dash l'après-midi pendant une heure. So tu dash. Okay. So you take rest will come. So repose it means to like nap or rest. Okay. So the verb is tu te reposes. Pourquoi est-ce que tu ne? Why you are not go to school will come. है ना? So the verb is aller. Tu ne vas pas. L'examen dash a neuf or never. L'examen starts. Commence. Mons. Elle dash le 15 décembre avec sa famille. So she is leaving for मतलब 15 December with her family. That is partir verb will come here. So it is elle part. Elle part le वो जा रही है कब जा रही है 15 December with her family. Dash तो parapluie. So here it will be take your parapluie है ना? हाँ. And it is l'imperative sentence. Wrong. Okay. Even students here, because here is to, that's why I'm using the conjugation of tu. Prend to parapluie, il va dash. Il va pleuvoir. It means it is going to rain. So it is pleuvoir. Okay. Je dash un peu de lait dans mon thé. So un peu de lait means little sugar in my tea. So It means I take, but take we have already used. Math can come. Okay, I like je mets. Je mets un peu de lait dans mon thé. Il faut dash des amis pour la sortie. Il faut, okay, pour la sortie. Il faut t'inviter. So it is necessary to invite. Il faut t'inviter des amis pour la sortie, for outings. Nous dash du sel. Okay, nous, we add, we add salt in the salad. Add or ajouter. Nous ajoutons. Je dash soif. So I am thirsty. For thirsty or for hungry, we always use avoir verb. J'ai soif. Donc, so I'm thirsty. That's why I am drinking water. Bois de l'eau. Donc, bois de l'eau. इसलिए पानी पियो. Bois de l'eau. Next, you know dash path पे promener amini. So you can't go for walks at night, at like midnight. Pouvoir verb, that is tu peux. The verb will be tu ne peux pas. Tu ne peux pas. Okay. Mettez en ordre. Let's write in order. Okay. So it is a this quel at what time? A quel or then ask will be used. A quel or ask tu vas au bureau. Okay. So at what time you go for office? Next is la bien. Let's find the subject vous. Nominal verbs, it means there will be two vous. See, then it will be vous, vous amusez bien à la boom. So you are enjoying at the party. À la boom, boom is the party. Okay. Next pass at vous is my subject. Then there are two verbs. It means the conjugate verb will become first and then infinitive. This is a position, students. Then it will be vous, the way. Okay, but this phrase is negative. First is no will come. Vous ne devez pas ach- vous ne devez pas acheter cette robe. Cette robe. Right? So you need not to buy this robe, this dress. It is not negative sentence, so just remove this. Manger la, what is the subject here? Il. After il, there will be verb per because this is the conjugated one and there are two more verbs. So we can write il peut manger et boire pendant la récré. What it means, students? So il peut manger. He can eat or drink during the recess. Even you can use il peut boire et manger. That is also possible. Okay. The next one is sur vous banque. Okay. That is the negative phrase, and the sign of exclamation is there that it means that this is uh, l'imperative. So it is no, vous, ne vous asseyez pas sur ce banc. Okay. Envers, soyez les sympathiques. Okay, that is also l'imperative. Soyez sympa, soyez sympathique envers les pauvres. Okay. And this is a reading part. We will do it in the reading video. I hope this video is useful for you students. Let me know if like you want any improvement in my teaching, anything, because it is definitely the language langue étrangère, the foreign language. Okay, so we have to read or do practice daily to improve ourselves. Okay, and yeah, that's done for today. So, au revoir, à bientôt, and yes, bonne chance. Best of luck for your exams. Okay, bonne chance, à bientôt.